How do you clean epoxy tubes when they get caked with glue? These tubes will get so caked with glue you can't even close it because everything's so caked into the top. Spray everything down with 91% isopropyl alcohol. With a finishing nail, start to loosen everything up. Dig out as much as you can. Spray alcohol in the cap and just let it sit. With a paper towel, wipe off the excess glue. Spin the paper towel inside the cap now that everything's softened up. You can see the cap is starting to really clean up. Now it's starting to get clean enough that the cap will actually screw into place. Loosen the cap up, spray in there, and just keep working it in to clean everything up. Now that the threads are clean, we'll be able to clean up the entire tube because it gets gooey as well. Spray the entire tube down. With a paper towel, just lightly clean up the goo. Now that's nice and clean, something you might want to work with. We'll do the exact same thing to the other tube. It's nice that this alcohol breaks down A and B epoxy. If you don't want your epoxy glue tubes to get this bad, clean it up with rubbing alcohol each time you use it. Now that the tubes are clean, we can straighten everything up by squeezing the bottom and pressing everything to the top of the tubes. With everything cleaned up, now that's something you'd want to work with next time.